Hello, it's been a while since I posted, and here I am at our avocado orchard. This is 1 year and 11 months, turning 2 years, and see how the trees are flowering. You know, we've got all these flowers here. And this, remember, this is 1 year and 11 months since transplanting, and they are flowering. Very impressive. See the size. And I think these will be able to carry about 50 fruits to 70 per each tree. Doing quite well. We got bees in the morning pollinating. Some are yet to flower, but you'll spot 1 or 2 flowers, and then they've got new flush and they are budding to flower. Quite impressive. And the orchard is taking shape very well. One year and 11 months, turning 2 years next month in September. See, these are budding to flower. These are the flower buds, the cauliflower stage. I'll keep you updated when they start making fruits. But we have one that has a couple of fruits, doing really well. And this is a Hass avocado. We have pawpaws here. Pawpaws are really sweet. Sure, it carries so many fruits. Yeah, and that's all for today. I'll keep you posted. Bye.